Ano-ano nga ba ang mga questions na itatanong sa'yo during your interview at the Swedish Embassy in Bangkok for your RP application? Ayan, so I received a few questions about the interview. So I decided na lang na gagawin ko ng video para din naman doon sa mga mag-a-apply pa lang. Once again, yung application ko is for residence permit spousal. So, to move to someone in Sweden, which is my husband. So, yun yung grounds ng application ko, guys, because the set of questions will be based on the type of application that you have. So, for example, if for work reasons or work permit, most probably yung mga questions will be about work and stuff like that. If kagaya ko naman na spousal, so yung mga tanong will be about yung sa relationship and my marriage relationship with my husband, ganon. But I think yung fiancé, spousal, and partner or sambo permit is somewhat similar siguro, no? I think that the weight of the questioning will be based on the relationship and the timeline of your relationship. Anyway, yung mga tanong is pretty much what was written din naman sa application. Diba? On the beginning of the application, ay finil upan tayo dun sa Migrationsverket, diba, na website. So, kung ano yung mga tanong doon, yun din naman yung itatanong on the day of the interview. May mga follow-up questions lang. Like, for example, may tanong, tas sinagot mo, tas nag-follow-up questions. So, yung mga follow-up questions yun may or may not be on the application, yung mga pinaglalagay mo doon. So, mga ganun. But pretty much, kung ano man yung mga follow-up questions, yung same route lang din naman talaga yung mga questions, which is about relationship, kailan kayo nag-meet, kailan nag-start yung relationship ninyo, how many years na kayo magkarelasyon, if kasal kayo, kailan kayo kinasal, and talagang tatanungin yung mga detalye, guys, like civil wedding ba, church wedding ba, kailan, anong oras, saan, ilang guests, sino-sino yung mga guests, ganun, saan yung wedding reception nyo, anong ginawa nyo after the receptions, and if may honeymoon, ganun, tatanong din sa'yo. So, mga ganun na mga questions, guys. And tatanungin ka din sa details ng partner mo or ng asawa mo, kung ano ba yung status niya sa Sweden, if like, ano ba siya, under working permit, permanent resident ba siya, citizen ba siya, mga ganun na tanong. So, saan nagwo-work, ilang years nang nakatira sa Sweden, saan nakatira, anong itsura ng apartment niya. Ako nga tinanong ako kung may elevator ba daw yung apartment ng asawa ko. Tatanong din kung ilang rooms yung bahay in case nakapunta ka na doon or mga ganong bagay. So, mga information about sa partner natin or sa asawa natin, to which I think naman hindi tayo mahirapang sagutin kasi kung genuine naman yung relationship natin, kilala natin yung mga partner natin and mga asawa natin, kahit balibaliktan pa yung mga tanong ngayon, masasagot talaga natin, 'di ba? So, yun guys, yun lang naman talaga yung mga set of questions. I think yung magiging tip ko lang, mahaba na yung video, so I think gagawa na lang ako ng video na about tips lang talaga, no? Kasi, to tell you honestly, yung interview ko, the interview lasted for 2 hours, no? So, the first hour was kind of rough and the second half, medyo okay. And I think it has a lot to do with language barrier. Nag-breakdown nga ako after ng interview because I thought na parang the interview was not good. But anyway, humaba na yung video, so maybe that's for another time. Thank you so much for watching. If may mga questions kayo, feel free to comment down below para masagot ko or send me a PM. That's all for now. Bye!